we have 2 3/5 minus 1 1/3. So when we're subtracting fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. 15 is in both the 5 and the 3 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions with a denominator of 15. 5 times 3 is 15, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 5 is 5. So now we can rewrite our question. Instead of 2 3/5, we can write 2 9/15, and instead of subtracting 1 1/3, we can subtract 1 5/15. Now we've got the denominators the same, so we start by subtracting the fractions. And this is really important because if this number was larger than this numerator, we'd need to use a different method. So to start, we have 9/15 minus 5/15, which is 4/15, and then we can subtract the whole numbers, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Now 2 7/9 minus 1 3/8. We need our denominators to be the same, and 72 is in both the 9 and the 8 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions with a denominator of 72. 9 times 8 is 72, 7 times 8 is 56, then 8 times 9 is 72, 3 times 9 is 27. So we can rewrite our question. Instead of 2 7/9, we can have 2 56 over 72, and instead of subtracting 1 3/8, we can subtract 1 27 over 72. So we start by subtracting the fraction part of the question. 56 minus 27, you might need to use column method for this, but that's 29, and we keep the denominator the same, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so our answer is 1 29 over 72. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.